Today I show you how to make home remedy to control cold, cough and sore throat. The thing which I need are 2 cup of water, 1 black cardamom, 1 small piece of ginger, 1 small cardamom, 1 piece of cinnamon, 1 pack of green tea, lemon and honey. Lemon and honey are optional. Add water, 1 cardamom, black cardamom, cinnamon, small cardamom and the ginger. Cook these things all together till it remains 1 cup. When it's left only 1 cup, add 1 pack of green tea. Cover it on slow flame. Before serving, add lemon and the honey. If you like this video,